If I would tell you that Trevor's channel with 275,000 subscribers that only gets 40 views on a new video is very successful and making a ton of money, you probably think I'm stupid. However, you'd be the stupid one here. But what is going on with this channel? Why does Social Blade estimate this channel makes $35,000 a month? And why does he only get 35 views, 30 views, 13 views on new uploads despite gaining 400 subscribers per day? Does he buy the subscribers? Does he buy the views? What is it that he knows that we don't that makes him so much money? Let's try find out together. So I started analyzing Trevor's channel and I noticed that he's fully exploiting one of the traffic sources on YouTube. And it's not the most common one that you might expect, which is recommended and browse features. That's not what Trevor does. Trevor is exploiting YouTube search. This means people go to YouTube, they search for a specific keyword phrase, and they then find videos. Trevor has mastered the art of making sure people find his videos through that traffic source, allowing him to get 9 million views in the last 30 days. Trevor is on pace to hit $1 million in revenue with just this channel alone. Here's how he gets his views. Just like any other unorganized person, you have created a random Instagram password, which you've now forgotten. You need to fix this, but the question is how? Ask your mom? She probably doesn't know your password. Call Instagram? Well, if only that be possible. So you don't do any of that, and instead you go to YouTube and you search how to find Instagram password. You then come across the video results and Trevor Nace is showing up on number 1. With over 1.4 million views in just 2 years on this video. I then click on the video, I watch it, and my problem is now solved. But before I get to the actual video, there will be an ad playing, which is where Trevor makes money. And that's the exact model that Trevor capitalizes on so well. The secret behind his 9 million views lies a little bit deeper though. The good part for Trevor is that every single day there will be a lot of people that forget their Instagram password and come across this video by searching for it, bringing in views every single day to this video that's 2 years old. Those couple hundred views might result in a few dollars, but that's not big money. So where is the big money at? The money is in the volume of these kind of videos, which is why Trevor has uploaded over 5,000 videos on just this channel alone. Trevor did a fantastic job at realizing that this is a volume game rather than a quality game. Just one video that shows up high in the search results is not going to make you famous, it's not going to make you a lot of money, and that's not what it's about. Instead, it is showing up number 1 for hundreds, if not thousands, of video keywords. If we look at Trevor's Social Blade, you can see that he started uploading videos in May 2020. Because he started uploading so many videos, his view count just goes up every single month. Because he's got all of these videos ranking here number 1 in YouTube search, he can build and build and build and will continue to get more and more views because he puts up more videos start ranking high in the results, more people find them, and that's how he gets more views. Which is made very clear by looking at his Social Blade graph. As you can see, it just goes up month by month by month, where last month alone he had 9.2 million views, which is unheard of. But that still doesn't clarify why his recent videos only get 6 views after 7 hours, even though he gets 9 million views a month and has 275,000 plus subscribers. The reason this happens is because Trevor has what I refer to as a YouTube search based channel. This is a type of channel that makes all of its videos to rank high in the search results rather than upload for a specific audience that comes back to watch your videos. I've actually made a full video about that, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Trevor doesn't care if his current audience comes back to watch his new uploads. So this is a game of simply adding videos to your library so that more and more videos can be found through YouTube search. Which leaves us to the final question: how much money is Trevor making with this channel? Luckily for you, I've got insider information because I have one of these channels myself. One of my channels has actually made over $500,000 in AdSense revenue, and the RPM on that channel is $6.38. Now let's say that Trevor's RPM is a little bit lower, that would still easily be $40,000 every single month from this channel, which continues to go up and up. That already comes out close to $500,000 a year with just this channel alone, where all he does is make simple, short tutorial videos about simple platforms. If you would like to start your own YouTube search-based channel, what I recommend you do is click on the video right here up on the screen, or check out the link in the description down below. I've got a full step-by-step video program that might be able to help you out.